Alright, YouTubes. I don't have the GoPro today, so I'm filming in the iPhone, which you can see films way better, in my opinion. Yeah, there we go, a little NorCal. Hey, what's up, everybody? We're gonna go check. I gotta go check this freezer. It's supposed to be like a 2-door undercounter, and they don't want to put a bunch of money into it. Oh, look, I got this guy behind me up my ass right here. Look at tail fucking gator. Sorry about the language. Tailgating my culo right there. They'll figure it out. I drive slow. I take it easy. We're on the clock. No need to speed. No need to be in a rush. Look, there's some Monterey sunshine today. You guys have heard me talk about, you get the coastal fog. California has all these microclimates. So you could drive, I bet I could go 10, 15 minutes inland, it'll be sunny and warm. It just does that. And then it'll burn off. It'll burn off and be sunny this afternoon. What do we got? We got Niners, Rams today. Both teams beat to hell. I'm not even going to pick that one. Couldn't tell you who's going to win that game. Couldn't tell you. Both teams depleted. Couldn't tell you on that one. Let's get out here and we'll take a peek at it and see what we get into. But look at that picture from the iPhone. It just films so much better. It's just that let's turn here. It's just that the convenience of the GoPro is pretty good. And there's other action cameras out there now that are good for vlogging and whatnot. But the good old iPhone, not too shabby. Look at that. All right, I am a certified YouTube mechanic. Look, the only sticker I got on my rig is 304 H.V.A.C. You guys want your sticker on the wall, you need to send me a sticker. And we'll get it on there. Free advertising. Look, 304 is getting some advertising. 304 HVAC's in the house. But I gotta get some knee pads on, man. My knees are fried. I cannot work without knee pads at my stage in my career. They just bark all day long. Bark, bark, bark. Oh, Tippin's kind of lean back cruising. Looking good, Tippy, looking good. All right, let's get this together. This looks like a true R290. We're gonna get the back cover off and we'll check it out. All right, there it is, the basic R290s. I got the stat on off. Let's give it a little plug in right here. There's a time delay on these thermostats. Yeah, got a little schematic back there. Check. Alright, so I'm not getting anything happening. I do have power coming in. I did find one terminal burned up right here on the thermostat. But while we got the box, we know it's down. The two probes should be the same K-ohm reading. So let's ohm out our probes and see if they're good for starters. Because if we do end up replacing the control, we're going to replace the probes anyways. But this one's a freezer, so it has the defrost heaters and everything built into it. But that one there looks... that one looks a little suspect. All right, the probes are both about 6.8 K ohms, so they're both good. The one that's a little crunchy here, that is our power coming in. We're gonna check that here in a minute. We'll see if we make sure we got 110 volts across those two. And I gotta look at my schematic again and figure out which one was the compressor and whatnot. All right, I looked at the schematic. We got compressor, then power. Pink is our defrost heater, it's our neutral, and these are our VAP fans on the end. We'll run some checks here. All right, got power to the temp control, got it turned on, nothing's happening. So I'm gonna give it a little bit longer, and then we can test each part individually to see if they're good, and then it's probably the controller took a dookie. All right, it finally timed out. It's the condenser fan motor's not running. Everybody getting hot? Oh yeah. So condenser fan motor change out coming in hot. The only sticker I got on my rig is 304 H.V.A.C. Free advertising. Look, 304 is getting some advertising. I gotta get some knee pads on, man. My knees are fried. I cannot work without knee pads in my bark. Oh, Tippin's kind of lean back cruising. This looks like a true R290. About 6.8 k ohms, so they're both good. Check that here in a minute. And I gotta look at my schematic again and figure out which one was the compressor and whatnot. Pink is our defrost heater, it's our neutral, and these are our VAP fans. We'll run some checks here. All right, it finally timed out. It's the condenser fan motor's not running. So condenser fan motor change out coming.